Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be making some fresh homemade lemonade. You can see my lemon over here. Let's get into it. The first step is we have to squeeze these lemons and remove all the lemon juice in it. So I'm going to just cut them and I'm going to squeeze them with this bowl so I get all the juice. I'll keep repeating this process till I have all the lemons squeezed out and I have the lemon juice. Okay guys, so I'm done squeezing my lemons. You can see it over there. So next I'm going to be grating this, the behinds in the lemon juice. I'm just gonna go ahead and sip this lemon juice. This is 1 cup sugar, and in this 1 cup sugar I will add in some warm water. And then I'll add it into the lemon juice. And then it's ready and you can drink it. So I'll add it in. And then I'll add in some ice. Our fresh lemonade, our fresh homemade lemonade is ready. And thanks for watching this video and please subscribe.